Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best projector stands that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Amazon Basics Adjustable Projector Stand. Easily creates a portable yet versatile workspace. This projector stand from Amazon Basics is certainly a great buying choice. Not only projectors, but you can also use this stand with other devices. In fact, this tripod stand works perfectly well with laptops, notebooks, DJ mixers as well as other studio equipment. Therefore, you will have no trouble in using this product for your day-to-day work. Furthermore, this product features a sturdy tripod base. Thus, it does not topple and provides excellent service for years to come. It comes with a large flat tray measuring 16.8 by 12.6 inches. For fitting your requirements, you can adjust the height between 36 to 55 inches. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty. Thus, you will always get proper help in case of any problem. At number 4. XZC Projector Stand. With the title of Amazon's choice, this projector stand is surely one of the best ones out there. The thing that you will find most intriguing about this product is its design. Of course, it comes with a ball head design. Furthermore, the ball head comes with 360-degree rotation along with a 90-degree tilt function. As a result, you will always be able to get the perfect angle that you need to set your projector aptly. Finally, the height of this projector stand is adjustable within 75 to 140 centimeters. So, you can always choose the right height for setting your projector. Having 3 robust legs angling outwards, it provides the stand with maximum stability. The legs also come with skid-proof rubber padding which further ensures complete safety for your product. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 10 pounds, this projector stand can easily support any projector without any issue. At number 3. Pyle Projector Stand. Having a universal placement, this projector stand from Pyle is perfectly compatible with any projector, laptop, electronic devices, books, music notes, and other things. The heavy-duty ABS shelf ensures safe placement for your projector while relieving you from any worry about the durability of the product. Furthermore, the shelf also comes with raised edges. Therefore, it also prevents the projector from slipping and further assures you about the safety. As a matter of fact, you can also adjust the tilt angle of the shelf as per your requirement. Hence, you will be able to place your projector at the right angle for ensuring flawless projection. The stand folds down to a very compact size. Hence, you will never face any problem to travel with the product. You will also be able to adjust the height of the stand as per your requirement thanks to its telescoping design. Also, it weighs only 7.52 pounds. So, it further assures you about the portability of the stand. At number 2. VANKYO Tripod Projector Stand. A highly versatile projector stand from VANKYO, this one assures you about its quality as well as service. Of course, this projector stand comes with a special telescoping design. In fact, it allows you to adjust its height between 17 inches and 45.6 inches easily. As a result, you will always be able to choose the best height that you require to get the best projection from your projector. Furthermore, the shelf of the projector stand is also very spacious since it measures 15.3 inches by 11.4 inches. Given that, it is from high-quality aluminum. So, it is not only lightweight but highly durable too. It also comes with non-slip durable rubber pads for its legs. So, the stand is completely stable on any surface. Finally at number 1. Pilepro PLPTS2 Projector Stand. Occupying the topmost position in our list, this laptop stand from Pyle is surely the best projector stand that you can opt for. This thin and foldable projector stand is perfect for giving presentations, reading, recording, or giving speeches. Since this stand is very easy to set up, you will be able to use it in your home, workplace, studio, or any place else with ease. Given that, the body of the stand is from high-quality metal while the shelf above is from ABS plastic. So, you can completely rely on its quality. Of course, it has a collapsible design which makes it perfect for traveling. Next, it locks easily once it reaches the desired height. So, you will have no trouble in using it. Besides, the telescoping design of the stand allows its height adjustments between 22-inch and 35 inches. Keep your memories stored beautifully and watch it through a projector or even watch a film. To support your projectors, an adjustable projector stand can totally help you have the best experience. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.